Brenda, come over here.
No! You mean this?
Yep, Brenda. Come on, Audrey.
My hands are freaking cold.
Lie here. Lie here. Emma, you can sit behind me.
Huh?
You can sit behind me.
Where?
Behind over here. Come on, sit behind me.
Jordan!
Ready?
Wait, not yet, not yet, not yet.
Brum, 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 brum.
No, Daddy, you have to...
Brum, 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 brum. Hurry up. Hurry up. Brum,
That way.
brum,
Go,
brum.
go, go. No, you have to go. Hello.
Muốn dọn gì, muốn sai chào.
Okay, watch out. Emma's coming. Move, 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 move. Kia, Emma, kia.
Okay, tao. You okay, Audrey?
Mom, I got hurt.
Oh, there you go. Hold on. Wait. Got it.
Kia đi bự lò sơ. Yeah, anh này là sợ là bà hai.
My turn.
Chỉ dùng xe cơ.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll help you. Ui ở trên nằng ra rồi. Nằng ra. Tụi nó là nằng ra rồi. Mê.
Nếu mua xí lò nếu sát chè nếu lò sò đó. Bây giờ sát đó. Nó con nồng bây giờ.
Mom, I'm done. I want to go snow.
Ồ lọ, ok. Nếu sò ta chè bây giờ trả mua trái snow đó. Ok, có bao mua lọ. Mua thế.
Mom.
Ok. Bây tụi mình tu nu sò nó ôm ở bên nó nè. cho nó biết chết chơi bla.
Where you kick back 100 inches. That's one of the exciting things about fishing in these 2-day tournaments, that anything can happen on any given day, so you can't write yourself off just yet. Guys, that is going to conclude the first segment of this video series, Day 1 West Coast Championship.
Hurry up.
Cái nó mỏ. Nó mỏ mày à?
You want?
Có bữa nó mỏ à? Nó. Nó. Giờ nó có ba hai tay mỏ này.